Hello, good afternoon and morning, yeah, everyone, and thank you for Techbook to inviting me to join this for the regulatory and workshop. Yeah, so this is first time for me to join the group, and yeah, so if you already know some of the Thai regulation, yeah, we can use this opportunity to share the information. This is the information based on the updated what I get from the Thai FDA and our experience. So yes, so my name Nipapat Phuakyod. So I'm located now in Thailand. So which is my office near to the Suvarnabhumi airport is about 15 minutes away, so not that far. And if any person come to visit Thailand, yeah, just drop by, then we can have a coffee or a cup of coffee. So I have the experience in the medical device for about 20 years. So I start from actually is from the QC manager, and after that I promote to the field of the position of QMS and also for regulatories. So which is from Thailand, I moved to Singapore and working in Singapore for about 10 years plus. Yeah, in the Jukun area, and then during the COVID, I decided to move back to Thailand and open my the company consultation service in Thailand. So which is about now about 7 years. Yeah, it's about in Thailand. Yeah, so I have also experience in Thailand and also from the overseas. So which is cover of Singapore, Malaysia, for MDR, European, Australia, and some of US FDA as well. Yes, so if anyone want my assistant or need any further information, just contact me. Yeah, feel free to talk. Then yes, I move to the agenda for today. It's not that many slides, but it's actually overview of the Thai FDA medical device classification, key regulatory requirements, step-by-step legislation process, required document. So actually we use the Asian CADC, the dossier file, but the template is in Thailand and other country may difference. Estimate approval, timeline, post-market obligation, practical market entry tips, and last one is Q&A. Okay. Then I move to the next slide. Overview of the Thai medical device regulations. So it's the first introductions of the Thailand medical device market. So now I capture in the bar chart in the left hand side is the information from the board, the Thailand Board of Investment. So now the Thailand is a third country in the ASEAN to export of medical device, and the fourth country which is import of medical device in to Thailand. So Thailand. We aim to leading of the healthcare market in Southeast Asia, which growing demanding for import medical device. So regulatory authority. So we based on the information from the Thai FDA regulate the medical device. So this is they will prove of all the product legislations. So the compliance requirements. So all the company must comply with the product classifications, licensings, legislations, quality system, labeling, and the surveillance rules based on the Thai FDA regulations. And the last one, approval process for import patent. So this is we also need to follow the regulatory pathway. Yeah, so based on the device list classifications. Then I move to the next slide, which is regulatory authorities. So in Thailand, medical device and the IVD are regulated by medical device control divisions, or we call that is a MDCD, within the Thai Food and Drug Administrations, or Thai FDA. So all medical device IVD must be received the PE market authorization from the Thai FDA before import also in the country. So this is important. And the medical device legislation with the Thai FDA, this now the latest version is the version in year 2021. So the new medical device classification have been changed recently. Not recently, it's quite some time, yeah, based on the actually based on medical device directive. Yeah, so this is a law of the Thai FDA. Yeah, then so as the health authority in Thailand and other countries is, I think it's the same. So which is we need to submit the application to the Thai FDA, and they will review application, and they will approve the license for all the company to import the product to Thailand. Yeah. So this is the law of the Thai FDA. Then I move to this slide. I think it's a more time in the slide of the classification and the timeline. So under this slide is medical device classification. So in Thailand, we implement a 4-tier of classification system according to the device class. Then the class certification is for class 1 is low risk class, so they need the listing. And class 2 and class 3, which is moderate risk class, risk device, so we should require of notifications. And the class 4, which is high risk device, require for full license. Yeah, so this is the classification in Thailand. So it's like class 1 is similar to the class A in Singapore, and yeah, B, C, D. So it's yeah, the same like the tier. Yeah, but it's just we call difference. Yeah, right. So the importance of the correct classification is the accurate classification. This will be support for the legislation and the timeline for FDA to review and the cost for the application fee. So in some of the product that is already legislated with the other country, which is may not the same with the Thai FDA. So some that is without, then we also need to submit for the classification assessment with the Thai FDA, or use the team, the experienced person who analyze of the class assessment. Then the key regulatory requirements. So yeah. So just now I also mentioned that is product classification is important. So medical device must be correctly classified according to the Thai FDA regulations. Then the establishment license. So local importer or manufacturer need to have an establishment license from the Thai approval. So the 2 document is mandatory. Before we start the product registrations, the company who going to hold the license, the product registration, have to have the import license and all manufacturer license. Yeah. Then the next step will be product registration and notifications. Medical device required to have the registration or notification, so depend on the classifications. And the last one is quality management and also labeling. So the product to be registered with the Thai FDA have to be compliant with the ISO 13485 quality management system. And also, I think some country, the Thai FDA accept for the GMP as well. And also for the Thai FDA labeling, so we need a specific rule and regulation. Example, for the home use, the device must be in Thai word. Yeah, Thai and other language is okay, but mandatory have to be with Thai. Yeah, this kind of Thai FDA regulations, yeah, on the labels. Then the next slide for registrations and market entry process. Yeah, so this is a step-by-step market entry pathway. So which is for the first step, the local representative appointment. So foreign manufacturer must appoint a local authorized representative to handle of submission to the Thai FDA. And the previous slide, I also mentioned that is the person who can submit the so-called the application to the Thai FDA into the Skynet. Skynet is the system it's Thai FDA creating for legislations e-submission. So this is only the person who have the license for as the importation license or the manufacturer license. Yeah, then next one is regulatory documentation preparation. So applicant, the person who prepare the document or the person who going to submit the technical document have to prepare the technical dossier based on the Thai CNDT. Thai dossier, so which is slightly different from Malaysia, Singapore and Malaysia. So the sequence is different. Yeah. Then labeling and also for quality system evidence. Yeah, for the medical device applications. Then the next one will be application submission and review. The application are submitted by electronic. Yeah, currently is no manual submissions and review by Thai FDA. So Thai FDA may require additional clarifications and the documentations. Yeah. Then the last one will be approval and post-market surveillance. After approval, yeah, sorry. Yeah. Now I think it's yeah, I think the sound is okay. The medical device can be imported after receive the approval. So based on the classification, they have the different so-called the approval. Then subject to ongoing on the post-market surveillance obligation. So they have like few obligation to import the product. Okay, then I move to the next one. Then this slide is showing of the medical device legislation, preparation, and submission. So this is repeat again of the step-by-step of legislation. So I break down this into more detail. So it's like the first, the need to be appoint an in-country representative. For non-Thai manufacturer must be designated a local representative licensed by the Thai FDA. So it means the person who hold the importation license in Thailand. Yeah. Then next one, device classification and grouping. So have to assess and review of the list classification of the medical device based on the Thai FDA, which is class 1 to class 4. And next one is prepare of documentations. So create the dossier that meet the Thai FDA regulations. based on the class 1 to 4. The class 1 will be less document. The full document of CSDT is more in the class 2 to class 4. Yeah. Then the next one will be the online submission, to submit the application and required document to the Thai FDA online system, which is the Skynet. Yeah. Then after submissions, the FDA will be review of the application. So if they accept, it means they do the pre-screening and they accept the application. So we have to pay for the application fees. And the review process. So the Thai FDA will be review the document based on the full pathway, a bit of RAQA program. So it's different timeline. Yeah, and yeah, they might request some of additional of informations, right? Then the next one will be the time to respond to the Thai FDA after the Thai FDA gives the feedback. So we need to respond to them within 10 working days. Then the last one is approval. Receive approval and marketing authorizations upon the compliance with the Thai FDA standard. Yeah. Right. Then I move to the next slide. So this is I think more important because of this is consider of the pathway how to register the product to Thailand. Actually, if you see in the slide, the number, the right-hand side, it's a full pathway. So Thai FDA, they have 3 different pathway. Number 1 is assessed by the external expert. Number 2, assessed by the Thai FDA officer. And number 3 is going for the RAQA program. So the number 2 is go to the assessment by the Thai FDA officer is mean. So the company provide with some of the document. So this we call that is a brief pathway. Yes. So now, the next one, the below is I'm focusing on the hybrid pathway. So which is this hybrid pathway will be helping the manufacturer.
Connected. Easy. Yeah.
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 So any questions?
Yeah, sorry. No worries, Nipa. I've muted the participant. Please go ahead.
Okay, so a brick pathway is mean the manufacturer already get approval from this from Australia, TGA, from Health Canada, from EU, European, from Japan, or from US FDA, and WHO for the IVD. So this is called like followed by a brick pathway. So if the manufacturer is already got approval from those 6 countries within like more than 1 year, then we can do the submission under a brick pathway. And this pathway, the benefit is only assessed by the Thai FDA. So do not need to so-called is a pay additional fees to get the external expert review. So the price will be cheaper and the timeline will be shorter as well. So the shorter by, I think, is about 1 to 3 months. And the document is, the submission is not that much. Example, for a bit submissions, they can wait for verification and validations, list management file, with letter, and of course, the last one is a specialist review fees that will be waived, right? And another process is called the Leland program. So in last year, so it's a lot of the case is like submission under the Leland program with Thailand and Singapore. And this year, Thailand just finished the pilot batch, the Leland program with Malaysia, with the MDA as well. So yeah. So it's all submission is successful, and yeah, they continue. So now under Leland program is with the Thai FDA announced of the two countries, means Singapore and Malaysia. So the timeline also shorter, review time shorter, but the difference is the Thai FDA still require the dossier in the Thai template. Yeah, that is the difference. So this is under the submission pathway. Right, I move to the next one. So this is the summary from the previous slide. So now though I show that is the full pathway will be full CDT submission required. But for a big pathway will be one approval form, a reference agency for at least 1 year, and also need to submit the full CADT document. So this reference country is Australia, Canada, Europe, Japan, and US. For WHO, for this the product for IVD. Then the benefit to get the ABIT pathway is shorter review time by 30%. Sometimes it's 1 to 3 months, and reduce the expert review fees. And also some the document is do not need submit. Yeah. Then the next one will be Leland program, so which is now approval for Singapore and Malaysia. So the thing different is CADT document need to provide for both original from HSA Singapore and MDA Malaysia, and also need to compile in the Thai FDA CADT format as well. So this is maybe additional document, but the timeline will be shorter. Then next slide will be required documentations. Yeah. This the right hand side will say about the core submission document. Example, this document is the Thai FDA mentioned that is they also follow the Asian common submission dossier template. But in the fact that is the sequence and arrangement and the document template is some of the document is may not the same. So I have like highlight in the table in the left hand side is what the document required for the Thailand CADT submission document. And the next one will be clinical and labeling requirement. So Thailand require for the clinical evidence. Some they just use the clinical evaluation report to cover on that sections. Yeah. Then that will be accepted. Then the labeling requirement as well. So based on the Thai FDA, so which is they have the requirement of some specific wording. Example for the Thai FDA symbol and the importations information address have to be appear in the label, as well as this some of the product. Example for the home use product have to be in Thai language. Yeah, that is the mandatory for the Thai labels. And the Thai FDA require for quality management documentation submission. Yeah, for the company, the manufacturer can use for GMP and also for ISO 13485 certificate to submit. Yeah, then yeah, if you see in the table, I have show here. So the required document, which is in the sequence of the document that we have to submit to the Thai FDA. So label, packing, insert, IFU, executive summaries, device descriptions, and the product information, essential principle of the safety and performance, which is we can use some of the document from MDR, the new versions. Yeah, that is acceptable. Next one, number 7 will be summaries of verification and validations. The full report have to be submitted. Yeah. Then next one will be list analysis file, and number 9 is method of destructions and disposable of the waste product. This can be use the Thai FDA template. Then will be the ISO 13485 certificate and the GMP. So these have to provide in case that product is a sterile product, have to be submitted on the sterilization, sterilizer certificate as well, right? Then the next one will be, this is prepared by local importer. So these are declarations of conformity and letter of authorizations. Yeah. Then I move to the next slide. So approval timeline. So based on the previous slide of the document submission, so yeah, the different classifications or different timeline, and also difference of the government fees, as well as the pathway as well. So the full pathway will be need to pay additional for the expert review. So if for a bridge system or LELAN program, so do not need to pay for the external expert review. So this is information based on the with the full pathway, which is including the specialist review fee as well. So the class 1 is between 30 to 200 days. So you may question why the length is too long. So some of the normal device, example for non-sterile device, get like fast to review and the approval, but for sterile class 1 and for product reusable, so for and also for measuring product will take longer. So this is the government fee will be like 105. Then our experience, what we have been success for the class 1 is between like half a month. Some last, because it's last 4-5 months ago, we still can get the auto approval, but now I think it's less. So it's between half a month to 3 months, yeah, to proceed with the minimal review. Yeah, for class 2 and class 3 is same time, is about 250 days, and the government fee is about 1,600, yeah, in between. Then when we submit the submission, we get approval within 3 to 6 months. Yeah, depend on the documentations and submissions. Yeah, and also slot of the Thai FDA. Sometimes they have like many the application submitting in, so the slot will be slightly longer. Class 4, which is 300 days, and the government fee is about 2,500. Then our experience on the class 4 is about 5 to 8 months. Yeah, which is longer compared to the other classifications device. Then please note that the ABRIT and the LELAN pathway. So this will be shorter the review timeline by about 30%, 1/3. So which is estimate about 1 to 3 months. Yeah. Then this is the important remind again that is if receive the feedback from the Thai FDA, we have to respond within 10 working days. So the delay will be like will be cost to reject of the applications. Okay, then I move to the next slide, which is post-market obligations. Yeah, so this post-market, the obligation, so we also have to handle the license holder must be monitor and report of adverse event to ensure that the product is ongoing to safety and the effectiveness. So the information from manufacturer that they already received from other country, that is they have some adverse event, so they have also share to the license holder in Thailand and have to investigate, and also if serious, then we have to report to the Thai FDA. And the next one, if any the corrective actions and recall maybe happen, this also have to implement and report to the Thai FDA and actions immediately. Then license renewal and inspections. So for establishment of the license and product legislation have to be required. The product license is last for 5 years, and sometimes the Thai FDA will come on the location to audit at the on-site. So this also the license holder have to be represent the manufacturer and also provide the information to the Thai FDA. Then the post-market surveillance system, the effective surveillance system for internal procedure have to be implemented, and also for this have to be shown to the Thai FDA when they request. Yeah. Example for the on-site, or sometimes they will like send the letter to the license holder to provide the procedure. Yeah. Then the next slide for market entry for best practice. So yes, yeah, the best practice to success to the entry is, yeah, regulatory knowledge that is important. So yeah, we need to understand the Thai medical device regulations, and currently they keep updates, yeah, from the website in Thailand. So they use the web page from the Thai FDA, and also they use the 2 other applications. One in the line application to communicate to the manufacturer, and also for importer, and also they arrange for the seminar, so which is announced of the new announcement and the new guidelines. So we have to follow and make sure that it's up to date of the guideline and the regulations. And you need to looking for the partner, which is local distributor or consultant who can support and communicate with the Thai FDA. And also this important, the importation process, in case that you are foreign manufacturer to import the product to Thailand, only the license holder is authorized to submit the importations request to the Thai FDA. So it means every shipment required to get the approval based on the corresponding invoice. So we call the license per invoice. Yeah, yeah. And then the next one will be early labeling compliant. So we have to ensure that it's the label comply with the Thai regulations before submission, because sometimes it happens that the Thai FDA actually is recently they change of label regulations. So yes, this also have to be pre-informed to manufacturer before they shipping in of the device with the old label. So the label have to be replaced before shipment or in Thailand. Yeah, within is about 100. Actually, it's 180 days, but as soon as possible, because sometimes they will stuck. The good will be stuck at the custom. And the strategic timeline planning. So this also based on the timeline, the Thai FDA. The highlight of the timing is after submissions. It means after we pay the application fee, then they will count from that day from that day as the day one. Yeah. Yes. So that's all from my side. All the information of the Thailand FDA market entry. So if anyone have questions, so this time feel free to reach out.
Right. Thank you so much, Nipa, for the session. I think we have a question in the chat group from Jaslyn. I'll just read it out. And I think for the rest of the group, if you have any further questions, please feel free to put in the chat or actually unmute yourself. So Nipa, the question from Jaslyn is, outside of medical device registration, we also like to inquire about Thai regulations with regards to exporting of goods and services such as chocolate milk, particularly interested in 130 degrees almond milk and all that. Can you please guide her through in terms of the processes? And Nipa, if you need to actually speak to the person offline, let me know. But otherwise, feel free to provide your input first. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is the product is under different categories. The chocolate milk is different. So I think is I can get the information and provide to just need in the email. Yeah.
Sorry, maybe I don't mind. I just unmute myself for a bit. Thanks for the presentation and also for taking the question at this time. So basically, from what I actually understand in terms of the exports of items, right, whether is it medical or non-medical related, even when it comes to just normal goods, it actually requires like a certain license on the Thailand side in order to actually export the goods out of Thailand. So maybe I can provide you with more information via email, but basically we also want to look into, the export of milk and also maybe protein type of product, because those are actually very popular in Thailand now. So, when it comes to actually exporting these types of goods and services, I would like to understand the regulatory requirements and also permissions on this front.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Jaslyn. So I guess maybe Nipa, maybe do you want to show your contact details on the screen?
Yeah.
So that probably Jaslyn can email yourself with the contacts and the details.
Yeah, sorry. It's moved to slide.
Oh, I got it on the screen already. Nipa at Forefront -syst.com.
Right. I'm not sure if you also this slide. Suddenly, give me a second. Yes. So actually, it's for all the product, right? We need the certificate for export, but the requirement before to get the certificate of export, they have more detail, which is I can share the information to you, in the email. But thank you for these questions. Yeah. Then.
All right. Thank you so much. I noted your email. I will drop you an email after this as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jaslyn. Any further question from the group? Okay, if there's no further question, then we'll wrap up today's session. And once again, if you do have any further question, especially you would like someone to discuss with you about the scenario that you have, and then some of the especially it's context based. So feel free to reach out to Nipa. And otherwise, thank you so much everyone for joining today's session. And once again, apologies for the technical glitch. And I would like to mention that the session is recorded and we will post the session into our Tech Brews Academy YouTube for you to catch up on the details if you missed the first few slides. So with that, thank you so much everyone, and thank you for joining today's call.
Thank you everyone.